Welcome to Petitech. I'm Ragut and this is the new fucking video. Well guys, in this video you will learn to install the Windows 10 in your Mac using only a USB. Okay? Ready, set, go! Go, go, go! First you need, obviously, your Mac. If you don't have a Mac, hey man, get out of here. Please get out of here. Don't see this video. No, sorry guys. It's only a joke. Don't worry. But if you stay here only for learn, hey man, continue with the video. The second if you need is an internet connection. And the last part if you need is an hard drive or a SSD external or a pen drive. But the most important is the capacity. And this is minimum 8 GB. Well guys, the first is open your favorite browser. In my case it's Opera GX. Then you need search Windows 10, okay? Okay, click in the first link and down to click on download the version. Okay, Windows 10, continue. Select the language, this is so important, in my case it's English. Okay, sorry for this, Spanish no, in my case it's English. Okay, I'm a fucking donkey, sorry. Then click on 64 bits. Okay, and wait, no more. If you wait, in my case, a few minutes, and then you need open the bootcamp. When you open the bootcamp, only click in continue, and more continue. Okay guys, the next step is so important, is wait.
Approximately 10 hours later. $75 later.
Guys, don't forget, the most important step in this moment is the wait. Okay? Okay? Okay guys, in this part you need to select the capacity of the Windows and the Mac. And okay, only click on continue and check. This is the first start in Windows. It's so slow. In this moment stay the fast camera and only need wait because the first start is so slow. Okay, but only in this moment, then it's more fast. Okay guys, you need to configure the language, the keyboard, the version of the Windows. Okay, accept the term and select the partition. Okay, and finally you need wait because when you stay boring of the wait, you have a Windows, and this Windows is running incredible because the Mac is perfect for running Windows, because in other machines you know the Windows is so slow, but in this case is so good. Okay guys, in the first start you need to install the drivers. Okay, accept the terms and click on continue, and yes, you need to wait. And now, oh shit, wait for all. This sucks. I hate this. Okay guys, when the installation is finished, you need to click on yes. Okay, and the machine is restarting. When the restart is finished, you need to click on Bootcamp Control Panel. If you need to configure the trackpad because it's so useful in this, okay? And no more. And guys, if you need to use the macOS The first is shut down your machine and turn on with the Alt key press when the sounds is listening for you, okay? And select the Mac OS hard drive. Press the enter key and no more, guys. If the video likes you, don't forget follow me and like in this video. See you then. Bye.